Hello, my name is Ian, and on behalf of my colleagues, I present to you our real-time object detection and 3D pose estimation system of bell peppers for harvesting automation. So, the agricultural industry has been facing different challenges in the last few years. In this sense, according to a prediction made by the United Nations in 2017, the global population will reach 9.73 billion of people by 2050. So the Food and Agriculture Organization estimates that there will be a 50% increase of food production since 2012 until 2050. Not only that, this industry is responsible of producing 21% of the total global carbon emissions, and because of climate change, access to food and crops integrity are really likely to be affected negatively. Also, we observe that there is a growing lack of labor, as there are few people that are willing to work on crops under harsh conditions. So ultimately, there is a loss of production capacity and increase on costs. That's why there is a growing interest of the use of robots in the agriculture sector, relying in different tasks such as soil preparation, farming and cultivation, harvesting and storage. In this sense, to address these challenges, we present a novel object detection and pose estimation system for bell pepper harvesting. This project is split in two major steps. First, object detection, using deep learning technologies in order to detect peppers of different colors under varying lighting and climate conditions. And second, the estimation of the position and orientation of the produce so path planning tasks can be executed by a robotic arm later on. In this sense, we use information of RGBD camera and Azure Kinect DK and the IR sensor that's built onto the device to filter the image and create masks over the produce. The depth information not only helps us to gather depth information for a 3D model, but also helps us to select the nearest crops. Furthermore, we use an ideal 3D model and pre-process it to make an alignment and estimate the pose of the scanned pepper. We consider the peduncle of the fruit to be a unique feature of the crop, so we draw a line from this peduncle, as you can see, from the center of the object to the base of the peduncle, and we call it a characteristic line. We use this characteristic line on both models to make an initial alignment of the produce and then apply some post-registration algorithms to refine the results. So, here we can see that the YellowBee7 model that we trained with custom data has a confidence ranging from 70 to 90% most of the time. Not only that, it can detect different types of peppers and the peduncle itself. So it handles very well different scenarios and lighting conditions. Also, we train an image segmentation model to obtain the actual shape of the crops, and the robot is able to identify fairly accurately the shapes of each of the fruits present on the video. This is an example of the methodology applied that was in order to mask and create the 3D representations of the scanned crops. So we did it in a controlled environment where lighting conditions were controlled and there was no so much variation between them. As you can see, the system is able to estimate the position and pose of the pepper on still images, but struggles a little bit to do it on real time because there are different external factors that affect the performance of the algorithm, such as lack of 3D information, noise, and different densities of both 3D models. So, the development of an object detection and pose estimation system for bell pepper harvesting holds immense promise for automating agricultural tasks. Our initial experiments have successfully demonstrated the system's ability to accurately identify bell peppers in 3 different colors, namely green, yellow, and red, along with their respective peduncles. This capacity, coupled with the system capacity in estimating crop pose, present a significant advancement in robotics harvesting technology. The successful implementation of this project detection and pose estimation system marks significant steps toward automating bell peppers harvesting. With further refinements and incorporation of advanced segmentation techniques, we anticipate that this technology has the potential to revolutionize the agriculture industry, enhancing productivity, reducing labor costs, and minimizing human exposure to hazardous working conditions. Thank you very much.